everyone, my name is Hera Noverti and you can call me Hera. Yes, I am want to I want to presentation about my business plan is a chapter a dropshipping hijab business model based on Islamic profit sharing system or Modharobah. So the next is background. The Muslim fashion industry, especially hijab, has experienced significant growth along with the increasing public awareness and the Islamic lifestyle. However, many perceptive experience limited capital to start a business. The dropship system offers a solution by minimizing capital requirement. Well, the application of the Mudharaba principle in the business system well, collaboration between the capital owner and business manager in a fair and serious manner. Through the business model, product owner or sahibul mal can work with the dropshipper or mudaharib in the profit sharing system that in the accordance with Islamic law without user and gharar agreements. So the next is purpose and objectives. The one firstly is creating a sharing business hijab dropship business model. Secondly, a providing business opportunities for the community without large capital. Thirdly, implementing Islamic economic principles in the world or entrepreneurship. Fourthly, is providing quality hijab products and affordable prices. And so, this declaration and firstly, that are the general description of the business. So this is a business name. My business is Adira Hijab Business. My title Muslim Fashion Hijab. Business model Mudaharoba a basic dropship. Target market Mudaharoba basic dropship. Target market Muslim women again. Uh, 15 until 45 years. Trackhouse Indonesia. Sales platform is online or Instagram, TikTok, Shopee website. Fashion and mention. I have a fashion and mention. Firstly, have fashion is firstly a leasing and independent life. And secondly, a leasing a creative, competitive, and software business. And thirdly, a leasing a professional business. And so, and there is a mission is a creative development in Slav, building an apartment scripts, leasing an independent woman. And so there are business model Canva. In these decrements elements, customer segment Muslim woman reseller student housing. Propositions functionality hijab product derivative system without capital based on the Sharia channels, marketplace or Shopee or TikTok, social media, website, customer, relationship, dropship, company system, online training, reward system, refill, training, hijab product sales. Observer training service, career research, hijab supplier, marketing team, e-commerce team, her key activities products. Digital marketing, dropshipper recruitment, recruitment manager, key pharmacy hijab supplier, Sharia payment gateway, Muslim company cost, short product shipping, digital and different platform development. And so, uh, there are a SWOT analysis, and these are firstly that are strength. Nah, strength. This is capital France system. And secondly, Sharia based or adds moral value. And thirdly, the large and growing market. So there is opportunities. The firstly, that the Muslim market segment continues to grow. And secondly, fundly for continental expansion. Thirdly, there are weakness these and dependence on digital marketing, and secondly, intense competition. Fourthly, there are threats. Now, threat disease, rapid the change in fashion trends, economy, opportunity. So, there are market analysis. Market analysis this firstly there are overview of the hijab market. The hijab market in Indonesia has experienced rapid growth in the region whereas the country with the largest Muslim population in the world. Demand for Muslim fashion products, particularly hijab, continue to rise. Together, hijab are not only seen as a religious obligation but also in lifestyle, choice, and fashion statement for many Muslim women. Secondly, is there are customer trends and preferences. Firstly, there are fashion trends. These hijab in pastel colors, intense hijab, and lightweight fragile, soft and fall and trickery are the favorites. Secondly, is Sharia preference. In Sharia, customer preference of halal products and Sharia compliance transaction. Secondly, thirdly, online shopping. A major shift to digital platform and e-commerce suffered to grow and diversifying business models. Last is conformity and trust. Customers tend to buy from sellers they personally know and privileges competitive shares. So, thirdly is competitive and analysis. Direct competitors, major hijab brands such as El Chata Joya and Hijab Kiss have strong brand industry and acceptance. Dropshipping competitors, many small and medium sellers on the shopping model by far and based on Sharia versus profit sharing or mudaharabah. So, companies and advantage. The business model sense are on main Sharia compliance or five fee from analytic costs and offering business opportunities without capital. So there are market opportunities. Many people want to trust and sweat business are limited by capitalist mudharabah dropship model afford isolation. The number of Muslim women looking to shop parcel in the accordance with Sharia in expression. So this a need for a trust-based distribution distribution system with spiritual spirals because a key difference in the capital markets. And partly that are market challenges. Educating market and customer about the Mudaharabah contracts, and so making equality like to service and template delivery. And thirdly, fresh competition from imported or large-scale pharmacy products. And sixthly, there are strategies to address challenges. So, this profit sharing and business training should deserve receiver partners, maintain high product quality and active product photo to drive competitive. And so offer responsive customer support and automated ordering system. Next is business strategy. A business strategy, a profit, high quality, fashionable hijab that are to Islamic values such as Sharia hijab, pasmina, and bergo. The fair and complete and easily are soluble for the catalog for the shipper partner. Continuously follow that latest hijab fashion trends while maintaining modesty and Islamic value. The next is our marketing strategy. In this, firstly, of course, have a channel, and firstly, or secondly, have strategy. So, in this Instagram, firstly, Instagram and TikTok. In this strategy, OOTD hijab content, live previews, testimonials, hijab tutorial videos, and secondly, WhatsApp broadcast. So this strategy follow up with functional buyers in this current and vendors customer relationship. And secondly, Shopee or Tokopedia. Optimize and strategy this optimize CEO lifestyle by and advertisements, and partly there are website online tree. This strategy have both product landscape and digital catalog, and powerfully influencer marketing. This is five collaborates with Muslimah influencer, and sixthly, there's a regular strategy. Commission bonus for views for referral friends. And so there are big event point or BEP analysis. Firstly, there are definition of break-up event point. The break-even point in the continuous when total revenue equals total cost, no profit, no loss. At this point, the business starts recognizing when the sales exceeding the break-even point. And secondly is cost and sales accountants. There are competent and value. Selling price for hijab is 55,000. And secondly, for cash price from supplier, uh, the value is 40,000. And gross profit per unit, they 15,000. And monthly fixed cost operational 240,000. Variable cost per unit shipping and thus extra 2,000 optional. The thirdly is break-even calculation in the units. The formula BAP or unit this rumus fixed cost or net profit per unit if no additional variable cost BEP uh, 7,007 or 50,000 um, 15,000. There are 50 hijab per month. If the business sells 50 hijab per month, in there is big break even no profit goals year. And partly that break-even calculation in rupiah. In monthly sales revenue reaches to 1 million to 750,000 50,000 the business for even. Firstly, the business analysis and calculation. The software with monthly sales target is 100 to 50 hijab. Break even pull 50 hijab, the business and project to exceed BFE by 3 times. This means the business intellectually viable and sub to operative even with moderate sales fluctuations. And secondly, that BFP visualization of Fiona. If needed, is I can see integrating a BFP showing revenue and fixed costs for sure sales volume. The next is a business feasibility calculation, assume economy, indicator, ARAR, NPF, and payback period. Firstly, that basic business assumptions. There are infinite capital or internal investment, upfront selling price per hijab, net profit margin per hijab, monthly sales for or selling contracted coveted. So there's monthly profit, monthly operational cost, net monthly profit, business project credit, discount rate. And secondly, so there are payback for formula, payback for intent capital or net monthly profit. Payback 5 millions or 5 millions to 500 results. Capital in short means 3 until 4 months, which is very fast. And so there are, and thirdly, there are net present value and NPF, simple NPF formula. There are NPF, GF, F1, there 1 plus R2 pangkat. So, fourthly, there are internal rate or return R and NR based on 10% percent annual discount rate. And last, business feasibility summary indicator payback periods NPS to 20, 20 months or RR, a short 30 in 30 months, early match, very much feasible or positive value, and active will about discount. And so there are Syariah compliance aspects are based on non-fiqh muamalah. In this, a foundation of fiqh muamalah in Islam in form as muamalah, business interaction are fundamentally for simple as for sensible as long as the do not include and prohibited elements such as riba or interest. Secondly, gharar, exit opportunity, maisir, gambling, speculation. Jam majority of declaration that leads to product defense haram and goods activity insurance on halal products. So there are also a compliance analysis of the dropshipping hijab model. Firstly, there are product hijab halal item. The main product hijab is a Muslim woman clothing, which are halal and tayyib, and clothing which vary apparently in the not inflow from lithium elements such as assuming or using from maxi. Tapi that are dropshipping system is there are dropshipping system in not against Sharia as long as the special customs and of the goods are sold are certainly no. The dropship act as prescriptive wakil, the supplier, the drug wakala contracts. In there is no selling in time not to inwards and dropship only access to eternity. C. Capital system. Mudharabah is a Islamic contracts parenthesis of time of the PBUH. Leverage and strategy based on multilateral or transnational nisbah, well, resort on where my capital arena except in the applied term of P of by business manager. Ati that which a system is error in the works or customer service designer or I mean they are what me under insurer which for service contracts which are currently running and actually open at the beginning and a sales and marketing stage must not influence defense for everything are that fashion must an explanation to us that they are scarcity or firstly when stock in unlimited discount rather than shipping before giving fake discount. And so in this there are additional fashion based on Pikim Omala. Firstly, Sharia principle, and secondly, upconscious in business. And so, there are capital or professional international first partnership. This personal capital, internal capital may come from the business owner, personal funds achieved for content design costs, website domain, and hosting in applicable internal promotion are areas number concrete operational expense, advantage, possible, and no obligation to profit sharing, and B. That are collateral from Islamic financial interestor or investor. There are business management or records mean HR operations with etc. Firstly, there are procurement of gas to savings. After that, the shipping model, supplier selection criteria. Secondly, that human research HR. In this, position, macro, status, contract type, business manager, in the metro, daily operation, dropship or condition, status business partner, contract type that mudah rubah, customer service that respond to inquiries, follow-ups, freelance or ijaro, contact designer, design promotion promotional hijab contest, office authority, freelance or partner, that contract savvy, wakalah or hijaroh. There are totally operational profits on business one of Sharia-based leadership workflow. There are product permission, there are ordering or payment, there are ordering for payment, shipping confirmation, financing reporting and sharing profit sharing, and fourthly, there are data management and information evaluation that are transaction and financial records. B. That performance evaluation, that life profit sharing model. There is a primary contract, example of profit ratio or nisbah. There are profit and share after operational costs and duties. The next is contract used in each stage effect on the business. Firstly, that are capital funding. This contract mudharabah between the capital owner or sahibul mal and business manager or mudharib. The investor possesses capital to the recipient and to friends to operate the business. Profit and sharing business are mutual agreement where lost and borne by the investor and swapped by neatly on the part on the manager. Secondly, internal manager are operational. Contract ijarah between the business owner and employee service merit the business manager, mahir administrative staff, customer service, research to write ijarah contract which for service when and eventually. Supporting contracts wakalah, business manager, media content, and social media manager are the spin and managing to another pathway wakalah and ship agreement. Thirdly, there are product creation hijab. All the system To halt to and to optional they are used mudharaba contract with having fund suppliers where the supplier sells goods with interesting profit margin. Contract istisna. Addressing what to other customer design hijab the may use istisna contract with offers under goods based on the shipping criteria and parking price. And partly, there are distinct partners between manager and supplier. Contracts wakala bil ujroh or wakala bil mudaharobah. Wakala bil ujroh, there are the shipping and as need for the products to sell products and refills to our customing ujroh. Wakala bil muharabah, the dropshipping runs the marketing and sales activities, and profit are set between the dropshipping and the products. Marketing and sales contracts wakala bil ujro or wakala bil mudharobah. Wakala bil ujro the dropshipping as an agreement for the product to sell products and review and completion ujro. Wakala bil mudharobah the dropshipping as the marketing and sales activities and profit the sharia between the shopper and the production. And last is the distribution shipping of contract ijaro. The use on contract shipping are GNA, GNT, and etc. Fall under ijaro is properly in the service. So I have executive summary. This executive summary title is the Hijab Dropshipping Business Model Hijab on Islamic Profit Sharing System and Mudharabah. The name business is Adira Business. Business overview. Adira Hijab is business operating in the Muslim woman fashion sector using a dropship sales system where all parties engagement is partnership between a Mudharaba contract and Islamic profit sharing agreements between the product owner and the dropship owned partner. This model allows the public the business without internal capital aligning with the Islamic principle of fashion. Product effort there and Sharia complex hijab such as pastina, instant hijab, and bergo made from high quality material and product finish. And the Q, a sales price at venture. A zero capital business model dropshipping, consumer Islamic contract mudharaba, wakola, and izaro. Monthly online basis sales via Shopee, Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, and WhatsApp website. And Qtbank with training and product community and reward system. Target market Muslim women aged 15 until 45, including the student, housewives, and working professionals who earn through social media through Indonesia Financial Project 20 months. The last is conclusion. Conclusion is Adira Hijab is financial, variable, and Sharia completing business, providing an approach with collection to upgrading community with low risk and attractive profit potential. Drug a system, a blood and tours on digital distribution. Adira Hijab is supposed to become under pioneers on Sharia basis dropshipping business Indonesia and hijab driving business model based on the Islamic profit sharing system Mudharabah is an effective and Islamic solution to modern business challenge in the digital era by combining dropshipping with now is Islamic economic crisis. This business offer not only financial gain but also spiritual and social benefit. We benefit collaboration with partner, investor, and Muslimah companies to build and halal, ethical, and sustainable hijab business environments. And so, thank you very much for my presentation. And this is for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.